Hello, all you cool cats and kittens out there, and welcome back to your Arizona Diamondbacks franchise rebuild. Here, finishing off the month of August. 57 and 74 Diamondbacks take on 57 and 75 Philadelphia Phillies. First pitch is a little bit better than 50 cents, not by much. Could have done a bit better down the middle, but we'll take it. Merrill Kelly, the hometown veteran pitcher, making his 24th appearance on the year, 3.31 ERA, with a whip of 1.1, with 98 strikeouts to 37 walks, going against his Phillies lineup here in this afternoon in the desert, with Abdul Herrera leading off for the Phillies. 1-1 count to the leadoff man for the Phillies. Merrill Kelly with the windup. The pitch just gets a little bit too much of the plate as that ball hops past Rojas for a leadoff single for the Phillies. Next batter up now, Alec Bohm, one of the rare youngsters in this lineup. A lot of veterans being led by the man, the myth, and the legend, Bryce Harper. Alec Bohm rides out to Rojas, tries to force a double play, but Herrera gets back to first in time, 1 out. As we look ahead here to Nick Castellanos, one of those veterans on the squad that we thought Phillies would be a danger this season. Castellanos gets a hold of one, but Aquino makes a nice play in right field. Holds on to the ball and makes a catch, showing some better defense in the field. 2-0 count now to Kyle Schwarber. He turns out to Buddy Kennedy playing third base today. Makes a nice play to end the top of the first. So go bottom half now, looking to get some offense going against this Philadelphia Phillies pitching staff. And the pitch, Phillies going with Bailey Falter, making his 10th appearance on the year. 6-9 record. 4.65 ERA, with a whip of under 3, with 77 strikeouts to 37 walks. Jake McCarthy leading off for the Diamondbacks. Lefty on lefty action. 1-2 count. Let's see how McCarthy holds up here. Pitches up, and he's down on a nasty changeup. First batter for the Diamondbacks goes down on strikeouts. Geraldo Perdomo hitting second here today. He gets a pitch to hit. That one does not drop in time. Lines out to the second baseman for the second out. Bottom of the first, only 6 pitches. Looking at the lineup here today. McCarthy, Perdomo, Varsho, Kelly, Aquino, Beer, Rojas, Buddy Kennedy, and Drew Ellis in the lineup here. This is 2 stolen bases on the year, 13th in the NL so far in the year for the Diamondbacks. 0-2 count now to Varsho, lefty on lefty. And that one paints the black. Varsho thought maybe a little high, but Falter strikes out Varsho, looking to end the first. Another look at the painted black pitch here. Falter showing some nasty stuff early. Willie Adames, 102 hits, third on the Phillies this year. 0-1 count. He gets a pitch to hit. The line drive right and drops right in front of Aquino for another leadoff single for the Phillies. JT Realmuto on deck as Didi Gregorius takes a walk. Different man on base for Realmuto with no man out, and he gets a pitch to hit. He goes down and get one, and that ball is gone. He smashes a 3-run homer versus Merrill Kelly. Realmuto's 19th home run on the year. Kelly can't believe it. Rarely gives up the home runs, but that one was a no doubt about it slam for Realmuto, putting the Phillies up 3-0 here early on, as the Diamondbacks have a hole to work from now. Another look there. What a swing by Realmuto. Merrill Kelly trying to rebound after that 3-run shot. Adam Halsley. He lines out to Buddy Kennedy. Kennedy making strong defensive plays at third base here today. Nice to see. Bryson Stott. 0-0 count. One of the rare youngsters on this Philly lineup as well. 5 RBIs in his last 3 games. He lines one that drops right in front of McCarthy. Merrill Kelly's getting lit up a little bit here versus the Phillies early on. 1-2 count now, back to the top of the lineup. Abdul Herrera gets jammed, but that pitch does stay fair. McCarthy runs that down for the second out in the top of the second, avoiding further damage. But Alec Baum, 1-2 count. And he just gets enough of that one, but that one drops in front of Varsho. That is a hit. Varsho can't get there in time. Doesn't risk diving, missing that ball. Nick Castellanos. Hard hit to Rojas, and that should end the inning. More danger averted here in the second, but Realmuto does his job. 2-1 now count to Carson Kelly. Looking to do some damage. Hard hit, ground ball to third base. Easily picked up, but the throw is high and wide. Kelly reaches first on an error. What a horrible throw from Phillies third baseman there. Ouch. Aquino now, man on base, 0-2 count, no out. Looking to try and make a push in this deficit. Nasty inside slider gets him chasing for the second out. First out, I should say. 2-1 count now to Seth Beer. Lefty on lefty action. He gets a pitch to hit. Ground ball to second base, 1 out. 2 double play to end the second. Not the start your Diamondbacks were looking for here today so far. Merrill Kelly now, 1 out in top of the third. Adames. 0 count. He takes one the other way. He hits that hard. That drops fair. And it bounced off the top of the wall. Aquino trying to get it back in quickly. But that is a double for Adames. Coming in from the trade from the Brewers, which sent Rhys Hoskins back to the Brewers. Next pitch up. That one is going to split the gap. The Phillies are just running away with this one here in Arizona. Merrill Kelly having one of his worst performances of the year. This lineup has just proven too much for Merrill Kelly here this afternoon, unfortunately. Realmuto, of all people. As we have to go to the bullpen here. Earlier than we would like. Logan Allen getting a warm-up. And Stephen Tritchen. Merrill Kelly just can't believe what's happening. 1-2 count now. That pitch is smoked the other way. To the wall, Aquino trying to make a play. Can't get there in time. Another run does score. 6-0 Phillies with only 1 out in the top of the third. Merrill Kelly just trying to get through this nightmare start. Next pitch up, he gets man to get over top of that ball. Grounds out to first. 2 out now on top of the third. Back to the top of the lineup. Del Rivera, 0 count. Takes a nasty pitch for the 0-1. Next pitch up. Same rotation. Rojas has some trouble with it. Recovers. Throws the man out to end the third. 6-0 Phillies. Definitely a comeback to be had here. 6 runs on 9 hits through 3. And Stephen Tritchen comes in here in the fourth. Made his 10th appearance on the year. ERA below 1. Doesn't give up many hits. 3 strikeouts to 1 walk since coming up from AAA. Stephen Tritchen, 0 count to Alec Baum. Stephen Tritchen has definitely been our best reliever since coming up since the trade deadline moves we made. So hopefully he's going to be a mainstay in our bullpen for next season. He's proven to be a guy who can get outs, not giving up many hits. 3-1 count now to Castellanos. He gets a hard grounder past Rojas for a single. 1 out single here, top of the fourth. But he tries to make it a double. Varsho throws him out. 2 outs. What was he thinking? Kyle Schwarber now 0-1 count. He gets on top of one. Perdomo is there. Makes the nice play to end the fourth. Still 6-0 Phillies. Arizona still looking for their first hit against Falter. So they're struggling here offensively as well. 0-2 count now McCarthy. He gets a pitch to hit. That one's far. That one is deep. That one is caught. Even if we do get our contact against Falter, there's no match for this left-handed pitcher from the Phillies so far today. Varsho, pitch right down the middle. That ball is well shy of the warning track. Fly out to center field to end the fourth. Man, oh man. Trying to break through here. At least a hit. Nothing through 4 innings. Full count now. Adames versus Stephen Tritchen. Adames pops up. Perdomo is there. Shallow outfield. And that is the first out of top of the 5th. Perdomo playing well defensively this year. Just no offense. Realmuto trying to continue to be a nightmare for this Arizona Diamondbacks pitching staff. 1-1 count. Buddy Kennedy for 1. 2 double play to end the 5th. Buddy Dignity making a nice play to make that happen. 1-2 count now to Carson Kelly. He goes down and gets one. Pitches popped out to center field for the first out in the bottom of the 5th. So we just can't get contact. 2-2 count now to Seth Beer. Lefty on lefty action. Grounds out to second base to end the inning. Rough nightmare start versus the Phillies here this afternoon. Logan Allen making his first appearance as a Diamondback, coming over from the Cleveland Guardians for that Martin Melanson trade. A rough year last year, hoping he can rebound and be a strong left-handed option out of our bullpen for a couple of years here. As he gets the man chasing in the dirt for his first pitch. Ellis makes a nice play at first base for the first out. Logan Allen doesn't throw many pitches, but has a weird delivery. So hopefully we can fool this Phillies lineup and keep this team in check. Logan Allen, he does have lots of team control as well, so he is in his mid to late 20s, so hopefully we can make some use out of him. 0-2 count now. Bryson Stott, Logan Allen. Stott gets a hold of one, just not enough. Aquino should be there for the play, and he is. 2 down now here, top of the 6th. Still 6-0 Phillies. Phillies 4th trip around the sun already. 2-2 count, Logan Allen, lefty on lefty. It's a grounder, Perdomo is there. Gets Herrera grounded out to end the 6th. Diamondbacks looking for their first hit. Rojas. Falter definitely low pitch count. Rojas says, screw your no-hitter. First pitch swinging. Leadoff signal for the Diamondbacks. Finally a hit here today.
Nope, that's ball four. Take the base. Oh and 1. 4. Take the lead. That's 1, Phillies. Take the lead. Ball, that's out. I got to count 1 and 2. No ball, 2 strikes. Nope, ball 1. Count 1 and 0. Nope, that's a ball. Nope, that's